Kardom normally tu pini bang hedi laso vlog along bang kenang ni tu man hedi mission mate hedi kenang shot itu tu kecini kenang shot aputhak siang tu man nampak lang ji mate lani tu man hung lang thayo share di hun simsere aham tun. Hello guys, Kardom normally tu so this will be my first vlog in English, so if I made any mistakes, mispronunciation or any other mistakes, please forgive me. Nevertheless, today in this vlog I'm going to show you the most important buildings here in Karbi Youth Festival. We are going to show you some of the items, traditional items of the Karbi community which are being displayed here in the museum. So we will go inside and I will show you all some of the important items of the Karbi communities. So this is the entrance to the museum, and they have chosen the themes here, which is horror, alcohol in the social life of the Karbis. So we'll go inside, and along with me is my brother Hobison Timung. He will be assisting me in making this vlog. So I will show you where the entrance is. Like that place is located just beside the Samson Singh Ingti stage, which is just beside there. So let's go inside. And so guys, so this is the place. The building seems to be very beautiful and very well organized. So let's enter inside. Yeah, I'll be explaining all the things which is being displayed here. So first of all, we have to register. So we have to register there. So guys, this is the place where they are showcasing all the traditional attires of the Karbi communities. So some are like this is called this one is called Puhu in Karbi. Then this one, the other one is called Konjari. So which is being worn like a scarf. So it is being used like a scarf. Then all are these are different kinds of puhu, or which are being it's like a puhu means it's a head turban of the Karbis. It's like a muffler. Then there are certain items here which are being used by the female. These are called peacock, and these are pisarpi, and this one is called pini. These are being worn by the female. Next, then we have almost similar kind of this one. Items are being showcased here. So please come forward this side. This is called Chengkumbang. This is called Chengkumbang, which are being played by the youths, and these are called Chengpi. These are called Chengpi. Okay. So again, we have this is the very special kind of picture here. This picture is from the first Karbi Youth Festival, which was first held in the year 1974. So it is very special here. Again, this here they are showcasing some certain fishing items like Rulangpong, then Khongchin. This one is Khongchin, Rurak. These are several types of different types of fish trap. So they are being showcasing here. So then so these are the different kinds of storage for traditional storage used by the Karbis. So this is called Hak Khalun, and then again we have like this one Hak Chili. These are the baskets made of bamboo. It is used for several purposes like carrying rice and all, or carrying some other items and all in their this one back side. So these are the several kinds of household items. Next we have this is the traditional model of the traditional Karbi this one house, or we call it Karbi Hemtun. So please have a look properly. So this is the model of the Karbi Hemtun. And then next we have Risua Terang. So this is the bachelor's dormitory, because which we call Terang. So this is a special a place where only the male bachelors are allowed to enter. The female are not allowed to enter in this place. In olden days, they used to gather here and they used to compose songs and all, and practice some traditional items like songs, dance and all. And they used to practice here. Then next we have the model of this mandu. It's a kind of small rest house, specially made in a this one jhum cultivation, and this is we call it hemtap. Then next we have here several kind of household items, utensils made of woods and other like bamboos and all. So these are certain things and all. Yes. Then next we have here. This is called hiliklek. This one is called hiliklek, which are like used as the children. They used to play with it, and it's like kind of a pistol or something like that, the traditional one. Then and one of the most important item being displayed here in this museum is this one. This is called michong crab. It's a special kind of machines, or you can call it machine. It is being used to separate the seeds from the cotton. They used to put here the cotton. They will put here, and they will spine this one here. Then all the this one seeds will go the other way. Then the cotton will come in the other way. So even it's traditionally we have a song, oral songs telling about this special item here. So it's one of the most important traditional item of the Karbis. And these are the things which are being used while weaving, in a traditional way. So this is the one. Then we have several things here. Then next we have this one is hambi. Hambi, it's a kind of this one a creeper. So this is the hambi seeds. The Karbis, they have a very special attachment to this creeper, because the Karbi, they have a kind of traditional game or sport which we call is hambi kapathu. And there are several rules and regulations with that this one traditional game of the Karbis. We call it that hambi kapathu. So they are being displayed here. And then there are several cups made of bamboos. We call it langpong. So these are the things. Then there are several other things here. These are used for keeping some things and all, like this pot and all. No? They used to put here though. In this year, they have, I told you before that they have chosen a theme called Hor and their this one traditional values in Karbi society. So first you need rice, certain kind of rice. Any rice is basically used in the preparation of Hor or rice beer. So these are several kind of, just they have shown the example here. And this is the grinder where used to grind the rice and all the Karbis. We call it long. And then this one is a special kind of storage. This one pot, which is with which the Karbi call it tibuk. For the preparation of this one rice beer, we need an ingredients. The most important ingredients is called thap. So this is called thap. So yes culture. This one is just yes culture. So this in Karbi we call it thap. So this is the most important aspect of this preparation of Hor. And in that ingredients, one of the most important ingredients is called this leaves. This is called marthu. This is kind of a tree. We use the leaves and grind it and make it into a paste. They will mix that one with rice flour and all. So they will prepare in this way. So these are the some of the items being shown here. Please you check this one out. This is the simple way of making the rice beer into a spirit one. This is the thing they used to make here. They used to put the rice this one mixture here, and after that they will put fire and all. They will collect the spirit or this vodka here. Check out that picture. We have here a special kind of bottle guard. So this is called bongkrok. We call it bongkrok, and this is called bongchin. So this is one of the most important items which is being used during the marriage ceremony, marriage ritual ceremony. So they used to take this. They used to put those rice beer in this pot. We call it bongkrok and bongchin. So they will put here, and here they have showcased some simple adamasar, which we call adamasar, which means the Karbi marriage ceremony. So, and then here in this part they have shown the use of Hor or the rice beer during the Karbi rituals like Chujun and all. So guys, I'm very sorry that I might not be able to fully or clearly explain you all about this museum, but nevertheless I tried my best because this is my first vlog in English, so I pardon for my mistakes and all. And you better visit this place. Do visit this place next year. They might be taking the different themes next year, but then you do please visit this place. It is very well, you know, showcased here, well displayed here. So I think it must visit place during the Karbi Youth Festival. So see you guys next year. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you know, like and share these videos among your friends and all. So thank you very much. I wish every one of you a very happy Karbi Youth Festival. Thank you.